Welcome to Crypto 101, a beginner's guide to understanding cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is a revolutionary digital technology that has taken the world by storm, changing the way we think about money, finance, and transactions. Whether you're completely new to crypto or looking to deepen your knowledge, this guide will provide you with a solid foundation to navigate the exciting world of cryptocurrencies. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Let's embark on this journey into the future of finance. Chapter 1. What is cryptocurrency? 1.1. Cryptocurrency definition. Cryptocurrency, often referred to simply as crypto, is a revolutionary form of digital or virtual currency designed for the digital age. Its uniqueness lies in its reliance on cryptographic techniques to secure transactions and control the creation of new units. Unlike conventional currencies, such as the US dollar or euro, which are issued and regulated by governments and central banks, cryptocurrencies operate independently, decentralized from any central authority. This decentralization is achieved through the use of blockchain technology, which serves as the backbone of the crypto ecosystem. Cryptocurrencies provide users with a new way to store and exchange value across the internet, making borderless and instantaneous transactions possible. The key distinguishing feature is their cryptographic underpinnings, which ensure security, privacy, and the integrity of the entire system. Participants in the cryptocurrency network rely on complex mathematical algorithms to create, validate, and record transactions. 1.2. Blockchain definition. Blockchain, a foundational technology underpinning cryptocurrencies and a host of other applications, is a distributed ledger that revolutionizes the way data is stored, shared, and secured. It acts as a tamper-resistant, transparent, and decentralized digital ledger that records every transaction across a network of computers, often referred to as nodes. In the blockchain, data is organized into blocks, with each block containing a group of transactions. These transactions are verified and secured through cryptographic mechanisms. The most significant innovation brought by blockchain is its chronological, linear structure. Each new block is added to the chain in a systematic sequence, ensuring a permanent and unchangeable history of all transactions. Blockchain technology provides several fundamental advantages, including transparency, as anyone can access and audit the ledger, security, as it is inherently resistant to tampering, and immutability, as once a block is added, it becomes practically impossible to alter any of its contents. These characteristics have led to a wide array of applications beyond cryptocurrencies, including supply chain management, voting systems, smart contracts, and more, making blockchain a transformative force in the world of technology and finance. Chapter 2. How does cryptocurrency work? 2.1. Decentralization. Cryptocurrencies operate on a decentralized network of computers, nodes, rather than a central authority like a bank or government. This decentralization ensures that no single entity has complete control over the currency, making it resistant to censorship and manipulation. 2.2. Transactions. Cryptocurrency transactions involve sending and receiving digital coins or tokens. These transactions are recorded on the blockchain and can be viewed by anyone, ensuring transparency. The process is secure and often faster and cheaper than traditional financial systems. Chapter 3. Popular cryptocurrencies. 3.1. Bitcoin, BTC. Bitcoin, often referred to as digital gold, was the first cryptocurrency and remains the most well-known. It was created by an anonymous person or group of people using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto in 2009. 3.2. Ethereum, ETH. Ethereum is a blockchain platform that enables developers to build decentralized applications, dApps, using smart contracts. It introduced the concept of programmable money. 3.3. Altcoins. There are thousands of alternative cryptocurrencies, often referred to as altcoins. each with unique features and use cases. Some popular examples include Ripple, XRP, Litecoin, LTC, and Cardano, ADA. Chapter 4. Buying, storing, and using cryptocurrency. 4.1. Exchanges. Cryptocurrency. Exchanges are platforms where you can buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. They come in various types, including centralized exchanges, CEXs, and decentralized exchanges, DEXs. 4.2. Cryptocurrency wallets. To ensure the safety and security of your cryptocurrency holdings, a reliable cryptocurrency wallet is indispensable. Wallets come in two primary forms: software-based and hardware-based. Software-based wallets can be further categorized into online wallets, which are accessible via a web browser, and mobile wallets, designed for use on smartphones. These wallets are convenient and suitable for everyday transactions. In contrast, hardware-based wallets are physical devices specifically engineered for securely storing cryptocurrency. They provide an extra layer of protection as they store your private keys offline, making them immune to online hacking attempts. Both software and hardware wallets play a pivotal role in safeguarding your private keys, which are essential for accessing and managing your crypto assets. Always ensure you choose a reputable and secure wallet solution that aligns with your specific needs. 4.3. Using cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency can be used for various purposes, including online purchases, investments, and remittances. Some businesses and online retailers accept crypto as a payment method. Chapter 5. Risks and security. 5.1. Volatility. Cryptocurrencies are known for their price volatility. Prices can fluctuate dramatically in a short period, presenting both opportunities and risks for investors. 5.2. Security risks. Security is paramount in the crypto world. Risks include hacking, phishing, and the potential loss of private keys. It's crucial to follow best practices for securing your assets. Chapter 6. Regulations and taxes. 6.1. Regulations. The regulatory environment for cryptocurrencies varies by country. Some nations have embraced crypto, while others have imposed restrictions or bans. It's essential to be aware of the legal requirements in your jurisdiction. 6.2. Taxes. Cryptocurrency transactions may have tax implications. Consult with a tax professional to ensure you comply with tax laws and reporting requirements. Chapter 7. The future of cryptocurrency. 7.1. Adoption. Cryptocurrency. Adoption continues to grow, with more businesses, institutions, and individuals getting involved. Some countries are exploring the possibility of central bank digital currencies, CBDCs. 7.2. Innovation. Blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies continue to evolve, leading to innovations in finance, supply chain management, healthcare, and more. Keep an eye on emerging trends and developments.